Now, after looking the details of generative AI, you may get a confusion. What is agentic AI? Don't worry. Here is a simple explanation, and we will also look at the differences. Agentic AI is a very exciting concept in the world of artificial intelligence. Now, let's make it simple. Instead of just giving answers or predictions, this type of AI can actually take actions on your behalf to complete a task. Think of it as going one step beyond being a smart chatbot. It's more like having a personal helper who gets things done for you. Let's take a travel example. Normally, if you ask an AI chatbot, what are the cheapest flights from Delhi to Dubai next week, it will just give you a list of options. That's good, but it still leaves the work to you. With Agentic AI, the system can search flights, compare deals, book the ticket, check your calendar to avoid clashes, and even reschedule your meetings if needed. Basically, it behaves like a smart travel agent who not only finds but also books the best option for you. There are already real-world tools moving in this direction. For example, platforms like Mindtrip AI and TripPlanner AI act like travel booking agents where you can ask, plan a 5-day trip to Paris under $1,000. And the AI not only suggests an itinerary, but also finds hotels, books flights, and reserves attractions. Similarly, Google's AI extensions and tools like ChatGPT with plugins can help you check restaurants, make reservations, or order groceries without you having to jump between apps. Now let's think of another simple example. Imagine you need to order office supplies. A normal AI tool would just tell you, here are the best deals for printers and paper. But Agentic AI would go ahead, place the order from your approved vendor, track the shipment, and notify you when it's delivered. So, the difference is simple. Traditional AI is like an advisor, while Agentic AI is like a personal assistant who doesn't just advise but also acts for you. Hopefully, this makes sense now. It's a very exciting shift because AI is moving from talking about things to actually doing things. And as these tools grow from travel booking sites to supply chain order management, Agentic AI will save time, reduce errors, and make life much easier. Now that we have learned about generative AI and agentic AI, you might be wondering how exactly they are different from each other. That's a really good question, right? Let's take a closer look and understand their differences in detail. Generative AI and agentic AI are two terms that are often spoken about together, but they are not the same. Generative AI, or Gen AI, is all about creating new content. It can generate text, images, audio, or even video based on the input you give. For example, if you ask it to write a story about a lion and a rabbit, it will produce a creative piece of writing instantly. It works like a super creative machine trained on massive amounts of data. Agentic AI, on the other hand, is about taking actions. It is designed to act like an intelligent agent that doesn't just provide information but also executes tasks on your behalf. Imagine asking an AI to plan your trip. Instead of only suggesting places, it will book your flights, reserve hotels, and even update your calendar. That's the difference. One is about creating, the other is about acting. Now let's go step by step into how each works. Our first type is Gen AI. It begins with natural language processing to understand your request. Then it uses deep learning models like large language models or diffusion models to create content. Finally, it gives you an output that looks human-made, such as a written blog or a generated image. Our next type is Agentic AI. It first understands your intent with natural language processing. Then it uses reasoning and planning to decide the best sequence of actions. After that, it connects with external tools or systems, like booking platforms or databases, to actually perform the task. In simple terms, Gen AI answers you, while Agentic AI works for you. Now let's talk about tools. Well-known tools for Gen AI include OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, Microsoft's Copilot, and tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion for images. For Agentic AI, leading tools are Microsoft's AutoGen, Google's Vertex AI agents, LangChain, and frameworks like Crew AI that allow multi-agent collaboration. Research reports show that businesses using Gen AI for marketing have seen a 25% boost in campaign creativity, while those adopting Agentic AI for customer support reduced handling time by almost half. Hopefully you like this concept, and I believe that's an amazing learning you have today. So in a nutshell, generative AI is the brain that creates, and agentic AI is the hand that acts. Together, they are shaping the future of how humans and machines will collaborate.